Hi, Master Dragon Metals here. Going to be pouring a 999 indium stacker in these coins here, coin molds. So I'll be making a nice coin, probably a stacker in this little one as well further along. Here's the indium metal. Have some drying here as well, a mold. I'll be using butane gas for this, as usual. Ooh, damn it. Trying to get a nice angle. There we go. This is just the type you use for cooking. Okay, it's in the liquid state. There does seem to be some dross, even though this is marketed as pure indium. You always have a little bit. Could be a heat issue, but it doesn't look as clean as it could be. So I'll scoop off some of that crap. There we go. And pour it into the coin mold, which has already been heated. There we go. Have to manipulate that some for it to fit properly inside the mold. There we go. There does seem to be a little bit of dross on there, as I've said. But I will scoop that off and it will result in a very nice shiny coin. Just heating the mold here. Indium is a pretty low melting temperature, so doesn't take much. Quite difficult to get the dross removed here. Yeah, not enough. Looks like this will be a heat issue. So let's get that hot. It's having problems filling the mold. So super liquid. So let's turn that down some then. Kind of bismuthy on the top, if anything. It's not good. This is a somewhat strange pouring. Although this is my first indium coin. Doesn't appear to be enough in there. So let's do a little bit more in the crucible. This is the big chunk. So I'll also pour a stacker at the same time. some on this coin. That's a strange sort of purple. Seems to be some residue left. Burns very bright purple. As you can see there. Kind of pretty. Work on this coin some as planned originally. No, seems to be having quite significant troubles doing that coin. Indium is quite unusual. No, I got the coin, never mind. Damn. And the stacker is nicely formed now. Ah, coin, damn it. There we go. Difficult. Sort of still looks a bit malformed. Try and get it from the sides with a lower heat. No, it keeps jumping, sort of jumping in the mould. Strange. Okay. There we go. Got a nice stacker here, as well as that coin. Not sure how that'll come out. Looks kind of not as shiny as these. Yeah. So give that a minute or two to cool. And then we'll see. In the meantime, I will drop these. Very shiny. Indium bars and guts. Slightly scuffed on the top, but the metal is incredibly soft. That does happen. That is still very hot. I can feel the heat. Indium sort of just scoops of like butter. Very strange. These are cool now. As you can see, it comes out with a mirror finish straight up, so no need to polish. Put them aside. Just waiting on these now. As you can see, this is like sort of deformed on the top, so I'll have to hit that with a little bit of heat in order to get a nice uniform stacker. Won't take much. Should do that. Give that a while to cool, as I've said. Shouldn't take long. Do something with this dross I scooped off. Probably make a little loaf here. That's still in a liquid state, as you can see. It's wobbling. Let's try and move that a bit lower to this brick. There we go. I guess the coin is also liquid. Probably won't be touching that. See? Still liquid. Indium, very low melting temperature. I've poured quite a few of these. I think I'll pour into that there. Get another little loaf one going. Might as well. Might not be the purest. Nah, never mind, there's not enough. Look at that. Only very little sort of bead in there. Button. Indium. Sort of come up purple, that. That's contamination from the butane, no doubt. Not sure about that coin, but we'll see. Still liquid. And so is the coin, but it is cooling quickly. Curious to see how it turns out now. Definitely uses a clean. Little bead of indium there. Ooh, it's moving still. Still in the liquid state. After that amount of time. I hate waiting for things like this, like waiting for paint to dry. Making new ingots. No, stackers. That round is, it could use a little bit of heat. It's deforming on the top. Don't want that. Doesn't take much. Just put in the blowtorch. Gets quite hot, these cheap ones. It's a good idea to cool the thing down. That mould seems to be almost ready. Give that a minute here on the steel plate. And see how that coin comes out there. Looks sort of messy at the moment. I will give it a quick scrub after I drop it on this mould. Just making sure it's not liquid still. There you go. That's actually not too bad. There's the indium coin. Give that a quick scrub and then see how it looks. Put in some water first. Cool it up slightly. nice. Well, that didn't come out too bad at all. As you can see there, quite nice indium coin. And that's after a quick wash, so all that crud come off. And we got a very nice sort of old style silver looking coin there. Not bad at all. Shiny. I guess this is pure indium after all. Let's see how that stacker looks. No, it's still in a liquid state. Wow. And deformed on the top again. Well, I guess that one's going to take a little while, but have a nice indium coin out of this, as you can see. Well, until the next metal pouring.